Hello, in this video we're gonna check the size of ElectroLine HCD50. And to do this I brought this measuring tool and we're gonna measure the height, width and the length of this device. So according to it, when we measure the height, it's 72.5 centimeters to the lid. Then the width is 35.5, and then the length is 37.5 to 38, because the lid is actually a bit smaller than the rest of the device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.